So I got in the door-to-door industry by taking a leap of faith. I was in sales at T-Mobile thinking I was crushing it, averaging $22 an hour. And I had a friend that just kept reaching out to me, asking if it was something I wanted to try. And so one day I just decided randomly I'm going to give it a shot. Took the leap of faith, made money in the first 2 months. And then within the first 6 months, made more than I have ever made ever since. So since then, I got addicted to the self-development, the improvement, just becoming a better person, the psychology, and everything that went into sales. And so just took that, became top sales rep year after year. And instead of the money, it was just the self-development that I fell in love with. I was being fed because every issue that I have in my life, or even whether it's good or bad, was created by the level of my mind today. And so I can't fix those issues by myself with the same mind that created it. So joining a group like door-to-door experts with all these other successful people that are doing way more than I am, or are in the same boat as me, and just collectively brainstorming together, it just always gives me new things to reach for, new things to try, so that it doesn't get stagnant. Because I don't believe that anything ever stays constant. It's either going downhill or uphill. Yeah, multiple reasons that I'm addicted to door-to-door experts, and that's because of the people, the knowledge. There's a community, there's competition, and when you get to the top as CEO, there's really nobody else. It's a lonely path. So joining the door-to-door experts and being around 100 other business owners, it gave me that sense of competition and thrill and excitement and self-development and persuasion and all of that. It gave me a new level to reach for and people to compete with. Yeah, my name is David, and so I'm in the roofing industry and the solar industry. And if you're not here at Door-to-Door Experts, what you're missing out on is a lot of critical information and the cheat codes of how people can turn years into months and months into days. And therefore, the growth that I get here can turn a decade, and I can get that growth in 1 year. Yeah, I'd say one thing that people should know is I've joined a lot of masterminds, boot camps, coaching programs. And the thing I found with most of them is that once you get to know the actual person leading it, they don't lead the words that they say. And so this is the first coaching program where I joined it, or I'm a part of, and I've got to meet everybody at the Door-to-Door Experts, and there's a consistency that goes around. So it's the first group I found that actually lives what they say, does what they say they're going to do, and do what they say. And so all around, best group, best industry. This is where it's at. Missing out.